Today we're going to be burning this side table and hopefully bringing some life back into it. And I know that sounds weird by bringing life into something by burning it, but we're going to be doing the Shou Sugi Ban style method, which is the Japanese wood burning method, to bring some life back into this table, as I said. Excited to do this because it is still cold in Alberta. We've been under this extreme cold warning for what seems like, I think, 3 to 4 weeks, and we've got a couple more weeks left to go. So figured we get back into the shop and burn this piece of furniture. That way we can warm up. Let's get to it.